give it. No, no, not yet, not yet. Not yet. Let me show you. Can you take mommy's card? Okay, take mommy's card and put it in the. Look, watch, like this. Look, see? Okay, here. Now take your book and then put the line on this, okay? Okay, that worked. Now do this one. Push it in there, put it in the line. See the line? Okay.
Check out.
Okay, take your books. You want to take that?
What?
Connor, can you show Grandma what Uncle Ken gave to you? What Uncle?
Good job.
Connor is using vacuum cleaner.
Suck up all the hair. There's more hair there yet. Good job. Keep going. Good. Can you see the other hair? Is there more hair? Get all the hair? Here. There's hair over here. Come on.
That's the garage that Connor built. Huh? It's a creative design. Connor? So what are you doing, Connor? What are you doing? The cap? Crabs?
Are you catching crab?
You're catching crabs? You're grabbing crabs? Oh, look at the crabs.
Too big.
Big crabs.
See, there's a crab. It's bigger than your face. Right? It's a big.
Okay. Do it again. Oh!
Mama,
Look at that!
look at that.
Wow. Did you catch a crab? Did you catch a crab? Slice. Good job. Well done. You want to do another one? Right. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. You want to do the
Good.
last one? Okay. All done. Do you want the cat, Mom, or no? Do you want this stuff, Mom?
Huh?
This stuff?
No.
Banana tastes good?
It should be good. But it's very high cholesterol. I know that.
Ah, Connor's got his own computer. Right, Connor? Look at that. Connor with his own computer. And there's Grandma working on her computer.
You're watching DisneyXD.com. Now back to DisneyXD.com.
How'd you get out?
us
Let's
how'd
see,
you
get
get
out. Don't help him. Jeez, don't help him.
Show us how you got out.
You got out earlier.
How did you get her out earlier? Come on, show us.
Did you hold Joker's hand?
You can do it.
Did that not help you out?
You can do it. You don't need my help.
Wait, I'll
Do you see how he's wrapping his feet around things too?
Alright.
Crazy, crazy boy. Crazy boy. Crazy boy. Crazy. Your life's over.
What did you do? You ran away.
I know.
Ooh.
Here, hold that.
Hold that.
Ooh, rock me.
Come this way. Hey, Boo. Hi, Boo.
show me the belly. Ooh.
Shake. Belly. Yeah, good girl.
Boo, boo, boo. Boo. Ooh. Ooh, look at. Boo. Come on. Can you see?
Oh, you're with Connor's with Boo.
Can you wave to Abba? Can you wave?
You want to wave?
Yeah.
You gonna see yourself? Say hello. Say Boo.